like something very special. The conditioning of your shin bone becomes very important when you're into some kind of fighting or martial arts. Because not only in real fight or street fights, forget that. Even in controlled environment like fighting in your gym or fighting with your friends, even with all the protective gear, the headgear, the gloves, even then you get hurt. So it is not good because most of the time your round kicks are going to land on somebody's elbow or maybe somebody will punch them. It is a risky kind of situation because it is most of the time it is very painful for people who are not into martial arts and who are not doing this kind of training specifically. It is very difficult. So I recommend trying to practice this along with kicks. There are many methods. ये पैरों को मतलब आपको क्या बोलते हैं इंजरी हो जाती है फाइटिंग के टाइम पे, तो इसमें इसको सख्त बनाने के लिए बहुत सारे तरीके. देयर आर मेनी मेथड्स लाइक इन कुंग फू दे सिट डाउन एंड दे हैव लाइक अ रोलर. They sit down and roll it on their shin bones like this. It is very effective. They do different kinds of things. They have small sticks with which they beat. तो मतलब कई सारे तरीके हैं पैर को एकदम मतलब कंडीशन करने के. Many methods are there, but I recommend practicing it along with the kicks because पैर तो आपके लोहे के हो जाएंगे, लेकिन उसके साथ अगर आपको किक करना नहीं आता, if you don't know how to kick, there is no use of this iron steel body and all because you need to practice kicks. And nowadays we are very busy. Most of us are only having 1 hour or 1.5 hours for training. So we can't spend time for 20 minutes for this and then 20 minutes for kicking practice. So I recommend something like a tire, not a kit, a tire, because these are still soft. Anybody can kick the hell out of them. So मतलब आसान होता है इसमें करना, लेकिन इसमें the tire, I will explain how I tied this and what I am going to use over here. इसमें क्या होता है, आप kicking भी practice कर रहे हो and at the same time your shin bone will get conditioned because this goes in, it has a kind of give in also. So very simple, kicking भी practice हो रही है, kicking also and conditioning also at the same time. So that is why I like this. See this one. So there are some more benefits to practicing like this. Let us see कौन से हैं वो फायदे. So all you have to do is you have to find a pole like this. In this case, this is our pull-up bar along with that kit. We use this for hanging the kit and all. So this one is like a tire and along with a small tire also. This is a small tire because I didn't have anything else. I used this small tire. You can use a stool or maybe bricks or something. Anything can be used. The idea is to just get it elevated so that it stays in this level. When I kick, it is almost like kicking somebody's thigh bone. So that is where you will kick in a real fight also, and that is where you are practicing also. So the tying is very simple. I used some rope over here. I didn't have that rope over here. So for today, I used this one. It is called as निवार. और कोई भी रस्सी से आप ऐसे बांध सकते हैं. 2 जॉइंट पे बांधना है और इससे ज़्यादा आपको बांधना नहीं. पता है क्यों? अभी बताता हूँ. रुको. So why I am suggesting a round surface like this, like a pole or like a pillar, is because when you are doing it on a wall or a more stable surface, it will not stay, it will not be like this. It has to be like this. It should not be stable. Why I am saying this is because you can come closer. See, when I kick, my kick has to be precise. My force should only go perpendicular to this level. Otherwise, even a small push is enough to make it like this and it is all gone. Right? So even if my kick is wrong, अगर आप किक गलत करते हैं या कि आपका वेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सही नहीं है, वो भी यहीं से करेक्ट होना शुरू हो जाएगा. अगर आप सीधी तरीके से किक करते हैं तभी आप इस पे किक कर पाओगे. So your kick technique is improving, you are getting more precision, you're training yourself because even with full power, if I strike, nothing is going to happen, see? But even if the lightest touch is given in the wrong direction, it will go off balance. So that is why I recommend something like this, like a pole. So you have to pay attention to where you are placing this one because most of the time you are practicing this 10-20 times. So it has to be on correct this level. That is, you have to stay over here. ये belt का नीचे और क्या बोलते हैं घुटने से ऊपर मतलब इस level में ही होना चाहिए because this is the part where your kicking is going to happen. That is where you are allowed to kick also in combat sports and that is where many vital points also exist. तो इसी जगह पे आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आप सही जगह पे मतलब ओरिजिनल जब आप फाइटिंग करोगे तब आपकी किक जो आएगी एकदम उधर ही आएगी and it will finish the opponent. You see, like this. Yes. So you can practice over here, but the level should be like this. So other than the usual technique that we use like in kickboxing kind of kick, Other than this, there is a more effective technique that you can use in close combat. I understood that only now because we have our homemade teacher. नहीं मतलब क्या बोलते हैं home teacher available at home. homemade नहीं तो क्या है मतलब क्लोज कॉम्बैट में आपको ऐसा लेने का टाइम भी नहीं होता और यू विल नॉट हैव द कन्वीनियंस आल्सो. सो देयर इज अनदर टेक्निक. कौन सी?
Opponent will be ready when you take it like this. You are already ready.
Yes, I am
But
ready.
but in this case, you are not ready.
Oh. So what is the difference between this and that?
Yeah, it is somewhat, you're kicking from this way. Okay, wait, I'm an official address. This came back. Okay, yep, right. This is what you're doing. You're kicking like this. Okay, right here. Here, what you do is you take from here and take it down. Okay.
अच्छा तो ये नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है, ये डिफरेंट है. इसमें आप एकदम रेडी होके ऐसे किक नहीं कर रहे. It is coming down. So how to execute such a kick like that?
Yes, this is so small. The close fight like this. One, bum.
So it is more like a pushing. You don't have to kick.
Yeah, you're kicking. You're pushing.
Okay. So 1 and 2. Is
Right.
that correct?
That is it.
Yeah. Because
Like-
if I'm from here, I'm trying to lift my leg. Anyway, you will feel like some kick to the head or knee is coming. But from there, it will go down.
Go down. That is it.
Okay.
It's like hitting.
Yes.
It's like
Okay.
same thing, right? Yeah. Okay, that will be very fast when you do. Okay? It will be like this. Sorry. It
देखो क्या-क्या करवा रहा हूँ मैं
it breaks your thigh muscle. I'm sorry. You can put the ball in. Okay. It's inside.
Karate TV online classes are starting from tomorrow morning 6 a.m. Get ready. And those who have not registered, link is in description. Register now. Tomorrow morning it is starting. नहीं उसके बाद भी खुला ही रहेगा, आप कभी भी रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं. मैं सिर्फ प्रेशर बना रहा हूँ. और क्या था, लाइक दिस वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन.